Hi, today we're going to learn about the kinds of lines, such as parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. But before that, we're going to identify first the basic geometric figures such as point, array, line segment, and a line. Number 1. Can you identify this figure? Yes, this is a point or a dot. So when we are talking of point, it is an exact location in space. You cannot measure this because it has no width, no length, and no height. Number 2, can you identify this figure? Yes, this is a line. So when we are talking of line, it is a set of points that can be extended in opposite directions infinitely. So the two arrowheads here represents that you can extend this in opposite direction without end. The third one, can you identify this figure? Yes, this is a ray. So we can see here one arrowhead and one endpoint. So it means that we can extend in just only one direction without end, and the other direction has one endpoint. It means that you cannot extend that anymore. And the last one, can you identify this figure? Yes, this is a line segment. This is a part of a line that has two endpoints. That's why we cannot see arrowheads here. It means that you cannot extend this anymore in opposite direction. So this is a line segment. Now let's proceed to the kinds of lines. We have here number 1. Can you tell me what kind of line is this? Yes, this is parallel lines. So when we are talking of parallel lines, these are straight lines, two or more lines on a plane that are always equidistant. Equidistant means they are of the same distance from each other. That's why they will never meet no matter how long you're going to extend this. Again, these are parallel lines. Number 2. Can you tell me what kind of line is this? Yes, this is intersecting lines. So when we are talking of intersecting lines, these are lines that meet or cross each other at a point. The best example here is letter X and a pair of scissors when you're going to use it. Again, this is intersecting lines. The last one. Can you tell me what kind of line is this? Very good. This is a perpendicular line. So when we are talking of perpendicular lines, these are intersecting lines also, but it forms a square corners or a right angle. So this represents a square corner and a right angle. Now, did you understand the kinds of lines? We have only 3 kinds of lines, and such as a parallel, an intersecting, and perpendicular lines. Did you get it? So we have here an activity. Given the figure in the box below, you're going to determine whether the lines are intersecting, parallel, or perpendicular. Are you ready? Okay, so we have number 1, line SU and line UV. Look at the red one. Can you tell me what kind of line is this? Yes, this is perpendicular line. Number 2, line UV and line PV. Look at the green one. Can you tell me what kind of line is this? Very good. This is again perpendicular line. Let's proceed to number 3. Line ST and line PV. Can you tell me what kind of line is this? Yes, this is an intersecting line. Let's proceed to number 4. Line SU and line PV. Look at the black one. Can you tell me what kind of line is this? Very good. So this is a parallel line. And number 5, line ST and line SU. Look at the light blue one. Can you tell me what kind of line is this? Yes, this is again an intersecting line. You did it well. Nice job, kids. I hope that you learned something from me today. Okay, see you in the next time. Bye.